Welcome back to my class. Class, I'll stand up, hands up, down. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says, learn the use of ga bute. Ga bute means, in English, go carry in, as a verb in sentences. We are going to learn a topic that says, ga bute. Ga bute. When you hear ga, ga, it is a command. It is a verb. We use it to give command. It means go. Go and do something. Okay, let's start. Igbo English. Number one sentence says, Gaa bute mmanya ahụ niile. Class, say it. Gaa bute mmanya ahụ niile. Meaning, go carry in all those drinks. Have you seen it? Gaa bute mmanya ahụ niile. Go carry in all those drinks. Number two sentence says, Ego, gaa bute ofe. Class, say it. Ego, gaa bute ofe. Meaning, Ego, go carry soup in. Have you seen it? Ego, gaa bute ofe. Meaning, Ego, go carry in soup. It is a command. It is a verb. We use it to give command. Gaa bute ofe, go carry in something. Okay? So, you can see that go carry in is our verb. It means in Igbo, gaa bute, gaa bute. When you hear ga, remember ga is different from ga. Ga has double a. Ga is different from ga. Ga has double a, ga. To show you that it is a command. But ga, the one that indicates future tense, it has only one a and not double a. So, like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Drop your comments at the comment section. Bye.